Hey Animal Jammers and Monkey Got 4 here, and featuring Icy Dog 2. Say hi, Icy Dog, please. Hi. And today we are going to be, what are we going today? Oh, I'm doing a flat word. I'm doing a, what's it called again?
You're going to be giving me your feet things because I really want them.
No.
Please, I want those feet things. I'll give you a good offer.
She wants my feet thingy, so I'll show you what a fair trade is. Okay,
just put trade
is fair. I was gonna do a mail time, but then she's talking about these. She wants these. My items going down. Rare. I hate those things. Why'd you even buy them?
It's a feather tail. They're new.
Everybody hates them. Rare pigtails. We both have rare pigtails.
Those are just pigtails.
Yeah, I want the rare ones.
Okay. Okay, so you're gonna be doing mealtime, okay? You're doing mealtime.
So you send me stuff.
I'm gonna send you some good stuff.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna pause it for a second.
You're not allowed to look. This should make you scream.
Okay, look. Just try to scream.
Remember, whatever I send you, that means you can use, not keep.
Okay, I would never trade it if you give me it. My cup's sitting right here. What should I say? Okay, so I'm gonna pause it for a second. Okay, sorry, I had to pause it for a second.
I'll make you scream.
Scream.
I'm gonna call it a scream gift, okay? Just look at it. We can use it, not keep it.
Ah! That is so amazing. Thanks, Icy. I would never trade that. That was like so amazing. I'm putting it on. I'm taking off my little bands right here. And yes, people think I'm rare, but I'm really not.
People don't think you're rare.
I'm just saying that. But that was like so awesome. Thank you, Icy.
Did you need the message? You can use it, not keep it.
Wait, let me see. Okay, thanks.
And if I see it on trade, I'll seriously go on your account and keep it.
Doing a giveaway.
You're not giving it away.
That's not going to be on there.
Well, if you'd like to enter my giveaway, you can.
I'm doing a giveaway too. Search up on YouTube. Monkey Got 4's giveaway.
You have to make the video first. You have to make the video first before you tell everyone to search it up.
Okay, this is the video for my giveaway. Okay, just give me another thing for my mail time. Excuse me. Excuse me. I was drinking root beer, so of course it's gonna. It's gonna be like that. Okay, sorry about that. I was drinking root beer. Sorry.
This video should be called Like a Go for Burp Doing
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you have more coming.
Okay, good. This is gonna be a screen gift too. Don't give me your pink log for anything. Don't give me your pink logs, like, okay? Don't give me that. Okay? You don't send me that, or I will trade it. If you send me that, I'll trade it.
Okay, we're about to send you, I don't know if it's a keep gift, because I haven't sent it yet. Okay, you're not allowed to see this, you brat.
I'm 7. I'll do it. Have any of you watched Max Steel? Put in the comments if you know Max Steel, please.
Okay,
I like Steel. Okay. No, it hasn't yet.
It didn't send?
Okay, it did. Hate.
That's a cute gift.
Done. What I see?
No! Give it back to me if you don't like it.
Fine, I'll keep it. But yeah, I see it's terrible items.
What?
Well, and this with an outfit gift. Okay, it's already
Here, can I give you another thing that you can wear?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna end it with. Okay, I'm sorry about all my burping and stuff. I am really sorry.
It's gonna be in the title.
Yeah, burping.
Burping up meal time.
Yeah, burping up meal time. Oh wait, no, Monkey Gal 4, burping up meal time. Perfect. Okay, we'll put that in the title, just so you know. Thank you. Come on, send me the gift already.
Oh, you said it had to be clothing?
Mm.
Okay, I'll see what I do.
I'm drinking root beer and a hot cocoa cup because my sister, I also have one more sister. Her name is WolfGal221. Yeah. Please subscribe all of her videos. She has amazing video. She's better than me. Okay. Let's get to the point. People say I sound like a 1-year-old. If I sound like a baby in it, I'm 7, by the way. How old are you?
No need to say.
Okay. Send me the item already.
Okay.
This is set. Okay, hurry
Yeah,
up.
it's not good. It's not streamified.
Hurry up.
I just did.
Okay, thanks. Yeah.
I had no use for that, so just keep it.
Okay. Okay, say.
So, this is the end of the video?
Yeah. How do I end the video?
You click that, but we have to say thanks for watching first.
Thanks for
watching. Please subscribe, my awesome little sister.
Thanks. I know I am pretty.